This is the end of month 1. 4 weeks of building. 4 weeks of testing. Now it's time to review the data, the strategy, what I learned, and the next moves after 30 days. One thing became clear. Many people talk about AI, but very few people build. Most people are still watching, learning, preparing. But progress starts when you stop preparing and start building. Best performing video. When I looked at the data, one video performed better, and something interesting happened. It was also the simplest video. One clear idea. One clear message. And this confirms one rule: clarity beats complexity. Channel direction. Now, the direction of this channel is more clear. This channel is not about AI tools and not about AI trends. The focus is building systems, real AI systems, step by step. Mistakes, of course. This month was not perfect. Some mistakes happened. Sometimes overthinking. Sometimes too much testing. Sometimes slow publishing. But mistakes are part of building. Next moves. Now we move to MONV2. The focus will be clearer, better systems, more building, more execution. If you are building with AI, don't wait for perfect. Start building.